Good evening, guys, and welcome back to Videos with Jordan. I'm going to show you a tip that I learned here that I tried out recently, and this works really well. When reassembling a movement, put a rubber band on it like you see here. And it puts just enough pressure on the plates to help you line up the pivots, and it helps to where you don't break one. So yeah, I hope this tip helps you. And this is a Hermling movement here, and as you can tell, there's stuff on the front that kind of gets in the way a little bit, but anyway, you get the idea. So I hope this video helps you, and well, in a minute, let me show you my pivot locator here. It's a wonderful little thing. It's a piece of, this looks like copper or brass, looks like brass. Got you a little slot out in it where you can grab the ends of the pivots or wherever you need to. Helps a lot. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.